In this lecture, I'll be going over some Tableau tips that you should follow when creating a dashboard. So the first tip being, always whenever you create a dashboard, have a specific message you want to communicate beforehand. So you should know exactly what you're trying to show on your dashboard. So if you're showing sales data, have it in mind exactly what kind of different views you might want to see in your sales dashboard. So always have a specific message you want to communicate, focus on what you want to show beforehand. Another good tip is to selecting the right chart form. Know the different strengths and limits of the charts options that you have in the show me panel. So you have text tables, you have bar charts, you have pie charts. So know each of these different chart strengths and use the best one on your dashboard. Use compelling headlines to describe the takeaway message of the visualization. So basically, in one of the previous topics that we covered, I showed you how not having titles on your worksheet makes it hard for the user to know exactly what they're looking at. So create titles on your different worksheets on your dashboard, so the consumer of the dashboard know exactly what they are looking at on their dashboard without them having to figure out or make wrong assumptions. Keep it simple, no more than 5 charts or worksheets on the dashboard. Try to not have, like it says, no more than 5 charts. One of the reasons being, if you have too much, the user might not know exactly what to look at and they might get confused. So it's good to have no more than 5 charts. Another tip is to use the color, size, and position to help the audience see what is important. So this is a formatting. So basically make sure you use the right colors. Use colors, don't have your entire dashboard one color, but use colors. But another tip is to not have too many colors. If you have too many colors, then it will might confuse the user. So use color, size, and position to see what is important, and try not to have too many colors. And finally, find the models you like and use them in your design or adapt them to fit your needs. Basically, by this, so check out the Tableau community, check out what other people have created in the past, and use them to as a to help you figure out what kind of dashboards that you want to create. This is a great tip right here. So use it, learn from other people's dashboards, see how they created it, and try to see if you can implement their design and fit it to the dashboard that you might be creating.